Good morning. I'm Father Attilio Rossi. I'm an Italian priest of the Divine Word Society, a missionary society. I've been missionary first in Africa, in Ivory Coast, for about 9 years, and then I've been missionary in Taiwan for almost 10 years. And in both cases, I was mainly involved in pastoral ministry in a parish. I would like to talk about a cell parish system of evangelization. Cell parish system of evangelization is a pastoral method of being a community, of building small community in a parish, and with a spirit of evangelization, of spreading the gospel to other people. And I think that this method is one of the many that are available, but I've tried this already in Africa, and I saw many advantages of this method. I think it can help the community and the person to grow in faith and to spread the gospel in our modern time. It's not something that I have invented, because this method was first created by a Protestant pastor in Korea, and then it was used in the United States, and then a priest from Italy, from the Milan diocese, Father Pigi, developed it in a parish in Milan, in the parish of Sant'Eustogio, and then also make it a system. Every year in that parish there is a kind of school where people can learn to use this method in different languages. And so material is available. There is a manual on how to use this method, how to train the leaders to lead the small community. But so I'm not saying something new, but I would like to make what I think some improvement on this method, or at least some change according to a modern way we have, and that is internet, especially YouTube, that I think can make a contribution to this method for having a better widespread result. Now this method is based mainly on two aspects. One is the small community, and the other is the spreading of the gospel, evangelization, the spirit of evangelization. So it's a small community that have the spirit of evangelization. Although then we know the small community in the places in the church where it has been used has many advantages, because when we go to church on Sunday, it's the most important. We have the Eucharist, the Mass, many people together, we celebrate God, but the problem is that often people do not know each other, do not have the possibility of sharing, of caring for each other, or knowing the others. And some people maybe just they have problems and nobody knows, and or they don't go to church and nobody can notice it because there are too many people. And in this situation also it's not easy to spread the gospel. It's not easy for other people who would like to have faith, to know the church, to be welcome in this church, because when maybe they are invited to go to Mass, to see how the Christians pray, how they live, but they go to a church where they don't understand too much the liturgy, because they don't know what is the Mass, and sometimes also it's not very a live community, especially not a caring community. Nobody maybe will care for them, will notice them, and so probably there is not a successful attempt to join the church, to join the faith. But if this is done by a small community, if one person who want to know Jesus, or want to enter the church, then if this person is welcome in a small community, if there is at least one person that he or she knows, and then it can be very different. So this is the method that I will try just to summarize, to explain as a kind of an introduction, because the main point, the method, real method, is already well explained in the manual. So it's not a new explanation, but an introduction, just to get the main idea of this method of evangelization in the parish.